In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your subtitles bigger in Netflix. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, to make your subtitles much bigger or larger, it's pretty simple. Just head over to your account here and click on Account. From Account, scroll down until you see this option called Edit Settings. And under this, scroll down under Preferences and look for the option called Subtitle Appearance. Here you are told customize the way subtitles appear. If you click on this, now you'll see your current subtitle size. If it is on medium here, to make them larger, go ahead and change this from text size from medium to large. And now your subtitles will be much bigger, just like the ones you saw in the beginning of the video. Once you have selected your size, go ahead and click on Save to apply these settings. So that's how you can make your subtitles bigger on Netflix. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.